Hello guys, I welcome all of you in my YouTube channel Online Teaching and Learning. In my previous video, I told you about how we can calculate the square of any two-digit number in very few seconds or in very short time. So, thank you for your like and comments to my previous video. In today's session, we are going to learn how to calculate the square of any three-digit number in very few seconds. So guys, let's move on today's session. Now, let's take an example that three-digit number, that is 103. Now, we have to calculate the square of 103. So, how we can calculate? We have to separate this three-digit number into two digits. That is, we have to separate first digit from last two digit. That is 1. Here 1 is separated from 03. So what we have to do? We have to multiply these two numbers. That is 1 into 3. The answer is 3. Again, we have to multiply the answer by 2. The final answer is 6. So we have to write here. After that, I draw here three places, and in each place we have to write only two-digit number, not more than that. So what we have to do? We have to write here a square of these two numbers. That is, square of 1 is 1 and square of 3 is 09. And again, what you have to do? You have to put this multiplication answer in the middle of these two numbers. So your answer become, that is, square of 103 is 10,609. Isn't it? So let's take another example, another three-digit number, that is 205. So to calculate the square of 205, we have to separate the first digit from last two digits, that is 2 and 5. We separate this two digit. Now what we have to do? We have to multiply these two numbers, and our answer is 2 into 5, that is 10. Again, multiply this answer by 2 and our final multiplication is 20. Now, in further step, we have to make square of these two numbers. Write here three places. In first and last place, we have to write the square of these two numbers, that is square of 2 is 4 and square of 5 is 25. And in last step, we have to put this answer of multiplication in middle of these two numbers, that is 20. Therefore, our answer is the square of 205 is 42,025. Here it is. So let's go for final example. So in last example, we take number that is 312. So what do we have to do? We have to separate first number from last two digit number, that is 12. Now in further step, we have to multiply these two numbers, that is 3 into 12, the answer is 36. And in last step, yes, we have to multiply this answer by 2, that is 36 multiplied by 2, the answer is 70. Now again, write here 3 places. In first and last place, we have to write here square of these two numbers, that is square of 3 is 9 and square of 12 is 144. So what you have to remember, here we can place only two digit number. So square of 12 is 144. So I write here 44 and remaining 1 is carry forward. Now we have to write here our final multiplication answer, that is 70. In last step, we have to add this carry forward 1 with these 2 and our final answer is 97,344. So by using this trick, you can calculate the square of any 3 digit number in very few seconds. So thank you guys for your like and supports again. I hope you will enjoy this video. Thank you and have a great day.